Hello, today I want to show something special for you. It's a function not for practical use, but just for fun. And you see on my screen I have 0, an emoji representation of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 through 9. So each digit has its representation in emojis. Now I want to create new function which will represent any number as emoji. For instance, if I got sequence of 500 items like that, I want to replace each digit in each number into this emoji. So I will got something like emoji sequence. What I need to do first, I need to tell about this number, how much digits is there, and I want to split it by digits. There are a few ways to achieve that, but luckily for me, I already have a function called split by chars. It is placed here. It will split anything by chars, so I want just import this function and continue with using it. I'll go to menu data, data, and named functions, import function, name my file here, split by char. I want to look at in order to find the correct file. Here it is. Select, and I want this function and I want to import it, import all, doesn't matter. Now I have this split by char. Okay. How it works? If I use split by char, is it array formula or not? Don't know. Of sequence of 500. Yep. No, it's not an array formula. I want to convert it into an array formula. There are several ways to do that, and I want to use Control, Shift, and Enter. Now I split each char in the sequence by char. You see, great. Next, I want to join them back, but I want to join them with the lookup of that. I will copy this down. This will be my memory. I don't want to hold this data separately in other places. I want just to hold it in my memory. And I also want to VLOOKUP. Let me show you. I'll enter space here and add VLOOKUP function. Hit tab to autocomplete. I want to VLOOKUP everything what is splitted by char. I want to use this table as a reference, so I'll just Control V. You see my table is big, formula is bigger now. Wow, now you can see it on screen. Comma, second column, and comma 0 for the exact match. And now I have these split by chars, but you also see this this one became 100, not what I meant to. So not the same as I wanted. Maybe I want to use another condition or something, and if sequence of 500 or something else. How can I achieve that? I'd better use lambda to the rescue, and I want to use by row of this array. Control X, by row. By row will give me what I want. By row and comma lambda, of course. And next, r as a variable, and I want to return a join of r. Let be join of r with just comma join r, and will it be correct now? Yes, it's just textual representation of each value in my case. Okay. Next, I want to get rid of this array formula and split by char and sequence, and only to get sequence. Yes, I want to get sequence with by row. Next, nothing special happens here, and I want to join split by char of this row. So now I use split by char inside my lambda. You see, of R, and if as I join it, it will be okay. And I also want to look up what was splitted. I'll Control X, and also we look up the split by char of R. This I will change this to erase later. Next 2 and 0, and that's it. That's my formula. And also you see now it only says the first digit, so I will better convert it into array formula. I will add index. This is the second way to convert any formula to array. Just add index instead of it. And now I have great result. I have each number in its emoji representation. And also, of course, I want to replace this range with constant values. I don't want to bring this range every time with me. Control E. Yeah, now I can get rid of this extra data, and I also can go ahead and add this as a new function. Let's do it. I'll just copy this text, add new function, call it eSequence, emoji sequence, no description. This is what I want. This will be our number of how many or num. That be num, and also put num here. And don't forget to click enter. Yeah, now it works. Create eSeq function is ready to use. Let's see. I want eSeq of 666. Okay, 666. Even 4 times. Let's see if it works. Well, it has to add a new rows at the end of the sheet, and only after it add them, it will be ready. You see, it works great. So you can do anything, just anything with formulas in Google Sheets. If you can do that, just write it in the comments and we'll see if I can achieve that. Thank you.